Hello friends, I am Pushpraj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Mathematics from Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today I am going to present a presentation on matrix. First, objectives of matrix. What is matrix and the special type of matrix? What is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. The elements can be symbolic expression or numbers. Matrix A is denoted by in square brackets. Row I of A has n elements and column J of A has m elements. Each matrix has row and column and this defines the size of the matrix. If matrix A has m row and n columns, then the matrix denoted by m cross n. This is the example of matrix. A special type of matrix. First, what is vector? A vector is a matrix has only one row or one column. There are two types of vectors, row vectors and column vectors. Row vectors, if a matrix A has one row, then it is called row vectors. And column vector, if a matrix has one column, then the matrix is called column vector. These are the example of row vectors and this is the example of column vector. Submatrix, if some row or some columns delete from matrix A, then the remaining matrix is called submatrix of matrix A. Square matrix, if the number of row and number of column in a matrix are equal, then the matrix is called square matrix. This is the example of square matrix. Here number of row is 3 and number of column is also 3. Then this is the example of row matrix. Upper triangular matrix, a matrix for which Aij equal to 0 for I is greater than 0, j is called upper triangular matrix. This is the example of upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix, a m cross n matrix for which Aij equal to 0 for j is greater than I is called and lower triangular matrix. This is the example of lower triangular matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix with all non-diagonal elements equal to 0 is called diagonal matrix. This is the example of diagonal matrix. Identity matrix, a diagonal matrix with all diagonal elements equal to 1 is called identity matrix. This is the example of identity matrix. Zero matrix, a matrix whose all elements are 0 is called a zero matrix. These are the example of zero matrix. Tridiagonal matrix. A tridiagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all elements not on the following are 0. The major diagonal, the diagonal above the major diagonal and the diagonal below the major diagonal. An example of tridiagonal matrix. Non-square matrix, if the number of row and number of column are unequal, then the matrix is called non-square matrix. This is the example of non-square matrix. Diagonally dominant matrix, a n cross n matrix A is diagonally dominant matrix if Aij Aii is greater than or is equal to summation Aij for all I equal to 1 to n. Similarly, this is the example of diagonally dominant matrix. Here, in principal diagonal A11 equal to 15 is greater than sum of 6 plus 7, that is 13. These are the similarly diagonally dominant matrix. This is the also example of diagonally dominant matrix. When are two matrix considered to be equal? Suppose A equal to 2, 3, 6, 7 and B equal to B1, 3, 6, B2, 2. So here If these are the equal matrix, then B11 equal to 2 and B33 equal to 2. Thanks, friend.